How to play Spotify music on Spotify tutorial. Playing music on Spotify is easy and straightforward process. So here's a step-by-step tutorial for using Spotify in 2024. First of all, you have to download and install the Spotify app from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Go and search the Spotify here, and once you have searched the Spotify, you have to install the Spotify app on your device. Wait until the installation has been successfully completed. Once the installation has been successfully completed, you have to go and open up your Spotify. Once you have opened up your Spotify, you have to sign up for a new account or log in with your existing credential. Here you can see that. You can continue with your Google account or Facebook account here, and you have to choose your platform. After that, you will be directed to the Spotify here. So here you can see that you have successfully created your account, and use the home tab to see the recommended based on your listening habit. Also, you can tap on the search icon to search for a specific song's album, artist, or playlist. And here you have to find a song or search for a song, album, or playlist using our search bar like this. Once you have searched, you have to tap on the song title or the album cover to open it. And you have to press the play button, which is represented by the triangle icon, to start playing here. And here you can see that this song has been playing here. And you can use the playback control at the bottom. You can use the playback control here. Here you can play and pause the music. You can tap to play and pause the button to pause. Also, you can use the straightforward arrow to skip to the next one. Here you can see that. You can go for this to skip that song. Also, you can adjust the volume setting here. Also you can also like the song here. Also, you can create and manage your playlist. So this is the simple step how you can play music on your Spotify. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.